Please like, share and subscribe our channel to learn and enjoy our free online educational videos from class nursery to 10. Please click the bell icon to get all new updated videos.
Lesson 5. Fractions. Suppose your father brings a big cake for you and your younger brother or sister on a Christmas day. He divides the cake into 2 equal parts and gives 1 piece each to both of you. This means you get 1 out of 2 or 1 upon 2 of the cake. Here 1 upon 2 is a fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole, and this whole may consist of a single object or a group or a collection of objects. Fractional number. A fraction is written as p upon q, where p and q are whole numbers and q is not equal to 0. Division by q equal to 0 is not defined. Here p is called the numerator and q is called the denominator. For example, 3 upon 5 is a fraction and it is stated as 3/5. Fractions on number line. You will learn to represent fractions on the number line. Suppose you want to represent the fraction 1 upon 2 on the number line. First, you draw a number line and mark 0 on it. Let 0 be represented by A. To represent 1 upon 2 on the number line, you mark starting from 0 the points 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 2 at equal distances towards the right. Encircle the point 1 upon 2. 2 is the denominator of the fraction, 1 upon 2 represented on the number line. Types of fractions. Proper fractions. Proper fractions are those fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Examples are 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 7, etc. Improper fractions are those fractions where the numerator is either equal to or greater than the denominator. Examples are 7 upon 5, 4 upon 4, 13 upon 12, 9 upon 4, 6 upon 5, 27 upon 14, etc. Mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 1 upon 2, 3 2 upon 3, 4 1 upon 5, 6 2 upon 7, and so on. Converting improper fractions into mixed fractions. You can convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator. The result obtained is expressed as quotient plus remainder upon divisor or quotient remainder upon divisor. Example of conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. 23 upon 6 equal to 3 plus 5 upon 6 or 3 5 upon 6. Converting mixed fractions into improper fractions. 3 1 upon 2 equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 7 upon 2. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are those which have the same value. Have a close look at the above fractions and you can make out that 1 upon 2 equal to 1 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 upon 4, or 1 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 3 upon 6, or 1 multiplied by 4 upon 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 4 upon 8. This means that by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction, that is, a fraction with the same value. Simplest form of a fraction. To derive the simplest or lowest form of a fraction, you have to find a fraction whose numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Find the simplest form of the fraction 72 upon 81. The highest common factor, HCF, of 72 and 81 is 72 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. 81 equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. Common factors of both 72 and 81 are 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. Therefore, HCF of 72 and 81 is 9. Now, we divide both the numerator and denominator of 72 upon 81 with the HCF, that is 9. 72 divided by 9 upon 81 divided by 9 equal to 8 upon 9. So, 8 upon 9 is the simplest form of 72 upon 81. Like and unlike fractions. Like fractions. Consider the fractions 4 upon 19, 6 upon 19, 8 upon 19, 11 upon 19. When you observe them closely, you will find that they all have a common denominator, 19. These are all like fractions. So, now you know that like fractions are those which have a common denominator. Unlike fractions, fractions which do not have a common denominator are not like fractions. Therefore, you can define unlike fractions as those which have different denominators. 6 upon 23, 5 upon 12, 9 upon 17, 8 upon 14 are some such examples. Addition of fractions. Addition of like fractions. Suppose your father brings a big chocolate for you and your two siblings. He divides the chocolate into 3 equal parts and gives 1 part each to all of you. This means each one gets 1 upon 3. It also means that the 3 parts, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 equal to 1 whole, that is the chocolate. As you observe, all the fractions have a common denominator, that is 3. So you can also write the addition of 3 chocolate parts as 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 3 equal to 3 upon 3 equal to 1. The example shows you the way to add like fractions. You only have to add their numerators. The denominator remains the same. Addition of unlike fractions. Let us add the unlike fractions 3 upon 2, 4 upon 7 and 6 upon 8. First we find the LCM of 2, 7, 8 which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 equal to 56. Now 3 upon 2 equal to 3 multiplied by 28 upon 2 multiplied by 28 equal to 84 upon 56. 4 upon 7 equal to 4 multiplied by 8 upon 7 multiplied by 8 equal to 32 upon 56. 6 upon 8 equal to 6 multiplied by 7 upon 8 multiplied by 7 equal to 42 upon 56. Subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. The method adopted for subtraction of like fractions is similar to that of their addition. As the denominators of like fractions are same, you subtract the smaller numerator from the greater one. For example, 7 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9 equal to 7 minus 5 upon 9 equal to 2 upon 9. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Subtraction of unlike fractions is also carried out in the same manner as their addition. First, unlike fractions are converted into equivalent fractions having a common denominator. Then, they are subtracted. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 multiplied by 2 upon 4 equal to 3 minus 2 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 4.